Where are you going now? Sino yun?
Ilang bahay ba yan? Dalawa? Tatlo?
Isa?
Sa gitna?
Isa? Nade, ayaw na? Halika dito, halika.
Ayan na si Dave.
Isa?
Akala. Ayun naman na siya. Oh. Dito na siya.
Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, Uncle D's there.
Sabi yun.
No, 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 no. Go to Daddy. Mike, Mike, Mike. Mike, Mike, she's there. What? No, they said, oh, we're supposed to take a bus, you know.
To Westfield. You wouldn't.
It's up to you. So because yeah, the parking is too.
Well,
How is
share
it?
the price. We'll share.
Oh, that's it then.
Yeah, I will. Ako mas.